Hello and welcome to Go Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to install a radiator support on a 1967 Camaro. Let's get started by unpacking the radiator support by AMD. Although AMD makes some great products, this channel is not sponsored by them. I will start by placing the radiator support on the support bushings. The install is rather simple, however, it would be much more difficult if you were to replace it on a finished car. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Here is a close-up of how the bushings were installed. I chose to use Global West solid bushings to match the rest of the body bushings. I'm going to leave the radiator support loose, just in case I need to make some adjustments later when installing the fenders. Now that the radiator support is fully installed, the car is ready for some fenders. This concludes today's video. Thank you for watching.